Bakul ji, are you here? Alright. DJ. In 6, we've been playing paddle since morning. It has been a really high level of paddle. We have the country's top players competing since morning, battling it out in the sun, and now we have a few winners. To begin with, we would like to thank Skyway, our principal sponsor. We have by Kelvin and our chief guest for the day, we have Sonia Rathi. So we're going to request her to address the gathering, please.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
यहाँ पे वो बंदा आ रहा है और वहाँ पे वो बंदा आ रहा है मैम यो यहाँ पे
Swati and Neha from Parthenon gang, let's hear it for them. They are arriving in 5 minutes, but someone can, you can take the award. Yeah, please collect it.
I love paddle. I've been playing for about 9 months now. I played my first tournament against him and he beat me very badly. I'm so honored to be here. It's so cool to see such incredible players. Thank you so much, Rishi. I'm just excited to see who all has won, and congratulations to everyone. It's a huge victory that you took part, and you came first, second, third, doesn't matter. But yeah, congratulations.
Here we have Vishal on stage. Mr. Vishal. We're going to first start with the women's category. So the women, if you could please come up on stage. The winners of the women category, we have Reenal and Bhagyashree. Let's hear it for them. Reenal, Bhagyashree, can you come up on stage to receive your trophies and your cash prize? Let's hear it for them, guys.
अरे यार खराब कर दिए पूरा सामने या प्रॉपर यार देखिए मैडम जी सामने everyone look here in the center camera look so look here sir thank you sir इस तरफ आ रहा है ना अरे वो इस तरफ है ना उधर से हाईलाइट आ रहा है रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है वो बोला थोड़ा सा इस तरफ बोलो ना बिकॉज़ लाइट इज नॉट प्रॉपर दैट साइड अब बोल दे थैंक यू ये देखिए सामने कौन आ रहा है कैमरा लो थैंक यू प्रॉपर
1 second, if we also have.
Everyone look here, sir. So, ma'am, yo. Yo. Sir, look here. Thank you. चलाने में 10 रुपया खर्चा हो गया अरे यार आओ यार सेंटर सर क्या हो रहा है सर थैंक यू थैंक यू सो मच कम ऑन दे दो yeah it's a proper yo everyone look here straight look here smile thank you everyone look here straight in the camera look here yeah everyone in the camera yo ma'am yo
Everybody, Daddy. We'll have a quick interview with these guys. We'll meet your bike. Very well tournament, especially the finals. That was a close game. The result didn't go your way, but that was great fun.
अरे लेकिन म्यूजिक चालू है बोल यार सर आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है They were the better team today. They deserved to win.
Had a team today and they deserved the win. They played really well. Yeah, they deserved the win. For sure.
Anything.
How was your game and how was the finals?
Yeah, we had a good game. It was a tough finals and they broke us early. But all in all, it was a great experience.
And what do you make of the tournament here? The first time you're playing here. What do you make of the facilities and the player experience?
It was amazing. The facilities were really good. We've been here all day, and through the day, I think everyone in the team also was very, very hospitable. So we had a great time playing.
All right, and where's the party after this?
No party.
No party?
Yeah, going home and sleeping.
All right, enjoy and see you next year. Let's hear it for them, guys. Give it to them. And please, if you can. Please. Okay, I need to go there. Yes,
That's okay.
No, that's not okay.
It is.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, guys.
Alright, let's hear it for them, guys. Champions. With us, the winners of the 40 plus doubles here at the Sky Paddle Championship Season 6. We have Varun Mundasha and Rishi Kohli. What a pair. What a comeback in the final. They lost the first set, came back in the second. The tie break went to 10 all. They're as close as they can get.
Amazing. It was a great performance. Great performance by Rishi. Held his nerve at the last moment when it was extremely critical. He hit the winner and I can't thank him enough for that. Amazing, Rishi. Thank you so much. Great organization. Thanks to Adit Patel. Cannot get better in terms of organizing any tournament. Thanks to all the sponsors and Rishi Kohli. What do I tell you about him? Like, he knows how to put on a good show. Thank you, Rishi.
Thanks a lot, guys, for coming and making this event happening. I love this sport more than anything, and winning in this sport, in this event and day makes my day and year everything. Thank you.
Alright, and what do you make of the facilities and the organization and the vibe in general?
All on you, Adi. You made it, Kritika. Thanks for Kritika making it this event such special day.
Alright, enjoy the party now and let's sundown. Alright. The 40 plus champion, Varun Mundasha. Rishi, bye Rishi, where's Rishi bro? Rishi Baji. Rishi Baji. Rishi Baji. Going? Rishi Kohli and Sonia Rani with us. Please tell us what is your take on the vibe, the tournament, and just being here.
Rishi's baby again. Rishi's baby again. So as you all know, he loves pedal a lot, and along with pedal, he had this kind of that he wants to give Sundowner vibe with good music system and a swim and a dip and a well set evening, and I think he's really rocked it.
Alright, and Sonia, you're the chief guest today. Please tell us what was your experience like till now and your paddle journey as well.
Thank you, Adit, for having me here, and thank you, Rishi, and everybody. Reed for having me here. Yeah, I met her. But yeah, I've been playing paddle for 9 months, but this is incredible. You know, having a sundowner after you've been playing paddle all day is kind of the dream. That's what any paddle player would want. I think this is so cool, getting to have a tournament, such incredible players coming out. That's all anybody would want. Everybody's high achieving here, and it's really cool to be here and give out awards. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much and enjoy the party, and now we can just chill. Varun Mundasha. Right, and before we go, we're going to have the champion speech here. We're going to ask Samar and Aryan. You guys started up a little slow in the morning, but picked it up in the evening.
Yeah, I think in the morning we were playing under the sun. It was very difficult. But in the evening, once the sun set, and this is the first time actually that we're playing together, so I think we needed 2-3 matches to get that flow. But I think in the evening, once we got that flow, we were a lot more confident, and I think that got us through.
And portrait started flowing in the evening.
Yeah, I mean, I was really nervous in the start, but yeah, my hand, I set it up, and yeah, it started flowing in the later matches.
In the finals.
Yeah.
And are you going to be back next year defending your title? Or are you going to be in split pairs?
I think we're going to be, if we get the chance, then we'll be in split pairs because then it'll be fun. But if not, then we'll definitely be back together to again win it.
Yeah, most probably split player.
There's a lot of confidence in each other.
Because we both play left side, and I gave him the chance this time because I treat him like a like a younger guy, so I gave him the chance. But that's just this time.
Fair. And apart from here, where's the party going to be, and what's your experience been overall with the Sundowner?
I think it's a great tournament. I think we played this last year, and the way they treat us is just perfect. I think we don't get treated like this at any other tournament. Whatever we need is always attended to, and I think it's just lovely. And even now, this new thing that has started with the whole Sundowner experience, it's just great for the players and even for the people coming out to, even if they want to watch paddle, because paddle is such a new sport in our country. So I think it's good for the sport, good for the people, and just good for us to, kind of get that confidence and just get everyone out there. And I think it's just a great experience.
Yeah, amazing court, amazing vibes, amazing amenities. I'm definitely gonna come here next year as well.
All right, enjoy the party and enjoy your victory.
Thank you so much.